So I got a comment about, also you basically just went from anorexia to orthorexia. And honestly, when I hear this term, orthorexia, it's just the dumbest thing I've ever heard. I feel like it's just a term that was made up as a part of the bigger agenda of big food and big pharma, to be honest, like an excessive preoccupation with eating healthy food. So it's a negative thing now to take care of yourself and eat in a way that makes you feel good and thrive. That's supposed to be spun to a negative thing now. I'm not eating a carnivore diet to restrict myself. I'm eating that way because it's what makes me feel my best and what I believe in.